She's violent.
Oh, back kick.
That's not dancing, that's walking. Go.
No. In the car, in the car, in the car.
Wait, this is the best experience I've ever.
Danny, you go.
I'm done.
Break it down.
Oh my god. Did we live in the Jerry's Kids house? We live in like a special ed house.
I'm dope on the floor and I'm magic on the mic. Now rock with the ever.
What a typewriter. I want to see a typewriter again.
To the supermarket.
Around the world.
From London to the Bay. Hey, time to go high up and tell me how much the rest can go in. Blake,
You can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch it. Wow, Sean, you wore out Danny. Ow. Ow.
She wore herself out. Alright, someone.
amazing that Sammy has done for one time in her life because she's never done something like that.
Danny, go.
She's
Got the beat though.
She's back.
She's on drugs.
I need
I think you took something and I want some.
Are you sure you didn't take something with Stacy's cousin?
No, I didn't take anything.
Besides his tongue?
Greg slipped through a roofie.
Something else?
Call them up and ask them where they are.
With us.
Who won first?